This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Strange events are taking place all around the world. It is believed the devil has come to kill us and take control of us. For your safety, stay indoors and lock all windows and doors. Do not leave your house after sunset. The devil will come out after sunset. This is an emergency curfew. Anyone who fails to follow curfew will be arrested. If you have to go outside, only do so during daytime hours. Sleep with candles in your room. This will scare the devil away. And go to church. Churches will open for shelter, for anyone who can't find a home after sunset.